Nowadays, customer demands for door and window glass are all over the place. Some want small window glass, for example, 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters, others large balcony glass, for example, 2 meters by 3 meters. Some need double pane insulating glass, some triple pane soundproof glass, and others low-E coated glass for UV protection. Ordinary small workshops can only produce fixed specifications. When facing special requests, they have to turn down orders and watch profits slip away. But production lines allow flexible switching. Switching from small to large glass doesn't require disassembling the machine. Just adjust parameters on the control panel, and it's ready in 10 minutes. For coated glass, the machine handles it gently without scratching the coating. No matter what type of insulating glass customers need, the production line can handle it. No turned down orders mean more profits naturally.